So let's see, how is it going? Okay. Okay. All right, market open in 7 minutes. All right, market open in 7 minutes. We're gonna go through many different stocks. Give me a sec. Okay, so I have here the chart. Market open in 7 minutes. Give me a sec. We're gonna go through. Okay, so I have here all the charts that we need, all the stocks that we are going to go through. We're gonna check the screener. We're gonna see the biggest losers, biggest winners. We're gonna discuss some other stocks as well. We're gonna check the latest news on NIO Finance, and then we'll be over for the day. It's gonna be around a 1 hour video, or maybe shorter, I don't know. So okay. Let's see if there's any new updates about NIO. Let's see about Lucid as well. Where is it? Lucid right there. Why new shares were up then down on Monday? Let's see. Give me a sec. See, I'm just gonna pull up. I'm gonna pull up something real quick over here. Let's go NIO. Yes, let's go NIO. Alright, let's see this article they're stating. Anderson been news surrounding the company's stock. Okay, now here's the thing. I think that NIO has a great potential in the future. As we have seen, they have doubled the amount of cars they have produced year over year, and they have gained 100% revenues also year over year. So I think they have great potential in the next coming years as well. Let's see. AMD. I mean, all these stocks, AMD, Nvidia, Intel, they are doing really good because right now they started also cooperating with all these. I mean, all these stocks, AMD, they started cooperating with these EV companies. They're helping them to create processors and graphic cards as well, just to these cars will be able in the future to handle the autonomous driving and all these graphics and the data that they will be gathering while driving will be able in the future to handle. So that's why I think all these tech companies are actually going up. So let's go on the next company. This is a Shipsy, a very little market cap, have a very little market cap, but I think they have a great potential. I've been watching them for almost, let's see, 6 months, but they are just fluctuating with the price, and they are not really strong. I hope in the future they go up even more. Now, as we've seen, as I said, Nvidia and AMD have really great and huge potential in the future as well, because they are helping all the EV companies as well. Let's see the crypto stocks. How are they doing? Now, as you can see, I'm looking at the day candle. Let's go 50 minutes candle. Let's see. I mean, since crypto is also going down, I don't usually cover crypto on my channel, but if you're following up with this news, crypto is not doing really good as well. Everything is going down lately, so yeah. But to be honest, the stock is unpredictable. It is very hard to predict it, because as soon as Bitcoin go up, it just spikes up like crazy. Let's see Facebook, how are they doing? Facebook is doing great. I think Facebook can reach extremely high prices. I'm talking $1,000 to $2,000 because you know the metaverse. They're working on very great and huge things that might revolutionize the future. I think they have great potential in the future, Facebook. But they're a bit expensive, as I know most of the investors that I have here on the channel mostly invest in these mid-market cap companies, and I don't usually cover Facebook. Plus, that Facebook is kind of slow. It is not as volatile as it is as the other companies. Let's take a look at these other EV companies. Xpeng. I mean, nothing too special. Microvision. They are great. I mean, they're a great investment. But the only thing that is missing is that they have not made a single contract with any single company. They have great technology, but and if they have made any single contract with any company, they have not revealed it at all, which makes it really hard to predict if this stock is going to go up or not. I don't know if y'all have seen, but there's a guy who have sold his house. He sold his house and put his life savings and the house into Microvision. That is really sad. He bought Microvision at around, he sold his house and bought Microvision around, let's say, $13. He thought that $13 was a discount, so he ended up selling the house and buying shares at $13. Now I don't know if dollar cost averaged down, but it's obviously he's having a huge loss right now, more than 50% loss. So it is sad. Fisker I'm gonna start covering Fisker really soon because I think they are great. They have this new car that looks sick. I'm gonna show you Fisker. I don't remember the name of the car, so let's see. Yeah, is it this one? I think it is. It is this one. It looks so nice and sexy. I think it is. It has great potential into breaking into the EV market. Now the market open. Let's see what is going on. Let's see. I like to sort all the stocks from winner to loser first. Shibzi, Tesla. Oh, whoa! Tesla's doing crazy. Now I'm gonna explain why Tesla is actually going up a lot lately, because everybody thought that Elon Musk, he was done with selling his shares, but he is not done. He have other options that he is going to keep. They are going to expire soon, so they have to sell even more shares. He is going to sell more. I don't know why people started purchasing Tesla shares because they thought that Elon Musk was done. He was not done with selling. It's gonna go down again. Tesla's going down again. Mark my words on this. Let's see. What about NIO? How's it going with NIO? I have mind these weird drawings. So as I said in my other videos, that if NIO keep bouncing on this $29 support line, I think they are good. But if they end up going under the $29 price mark, they'll end up bouncing around the $22 mark, and that is a disaster. Actually, a lot of people are going to lose their money, and that is not really fun. But I still think it is a great opportunity for the other people to start joining and start to invest into NIO. Now, if you have not seen the video, I just uploaded a video now on my channel about NIO. If you want to get started and start investing into the stock. Let's keep on looking. Zumerica is not doing so good. It's doing really bad. Now I have faith into Zumerica. First of all, I have around 10,000 shares into Zumerica. This is the first thing first. And the second, they've made around 6 million in the fourth earnings report of Pulsefit. Pulsefit have made $6 million. And they are going to reveal it in the next earnings report. for America. So I am very excited. I have faith into this company. Virgin Galactic. I think there's a great opportunity to start investing into Virgin Galactic. It is a great opportunity, guys. Space traveling, commercial flights are the next coming thing in the next coming decade. It's gonna be a very exciting topic to talk about and to invest into. And Virgin Galactic is actually one of the only space traveling companies that is publicly traded. So why not trade it? Why not buy it? I mean, if there was a SpaceX, I would definitely buy SpaceX. But as you can see, guys, there is no SpaceX. We have only Virgin Galactic. Now, there's definitely many other space companies who are publicly traded, but they are not Virgin Galactic. They are not commercial flight companies. They are only tech companies that can help to build stuff and send it out to the space. So they are not the same. Virgin Galactic is very special, and they have very low price right now. Look where they were a few months ago at all-time highs of $62. Look, now it's 13. Now don't get fooled by the price. You are going to think that the company is doing really bad, but now they are, what do you say? They now have pushed the date to the next year, to the fourth quarter of the next year, and on December next year they're gonna have their first flight. And the CEO of Virgin Galactic, he said that they will be doing at least 3 flights every month in 2023. So that is very huge. That is great. I think that Virgin Galactic can actually go up to $100, if not $200 or even $300 in 2023 and after, because they are going to start their commercial flights at around 2023. So let's move on from Virgin Galactic and look at other stocks. Let's see. Holy, Bitcoin is not doing really good, so yep. Riot either, you see. So cryptos are not doing really good. So these are one of the biggest crypto stocks, Mara and Riot. Let's see, Naked. Oh, whoa. Now, to be honest, I have not really. I don't really know the reason why Naked is dipping right now. So I'm gonna do my research and update you on what is happening right now. But I did not touch on Naked in like few days, so I'm not really sure about it. Let's see, Lucid. Lucid is, people are calling it a fraud. That people are calling Lucid a fraud. So I don't really know. I sold my stocks since 38 around. Let's see. I sold my shares around here. I picked it up at 22. I sold around 38, and I'm really happy with the profits that I got. People think it's going to be the next coming thing. When I uploaded a video where I said Lucid is going to go down, people started insulting me, and I got like threats or something, and it was not really nice. And it turned out what I said was right. Lucid is not going to keep up. Now, I did not predict it. I knew it, because come on, guys, every single stock have to go down. Every single stock have to cool down. There's no stock that keeps going up forever. And at the end of the day, people are going to take profits. So I think it is a normal thing, because Lucid still have a chance. They can pounce from the $32 mark and rocket their way up to 100. But the EV thing is very bizarre, especially with Rivian as well. Let's see, I don't know the ticker of Rivian, so I'm gonna try to pull it up. Rivian there. Now it's very messed up. This EV thing is very messed up. People are misunderstanding the concept of the EV, of the electric vehicles. I'm gonna tell you what's going on. Autonomous driving is a very, very great thing, and that's why all the EV companies are going up. It's because they think, okay, let's say I love NIO stock, and I start investing my money into NIO because I think NIO will be the next coming company that is going to start developing autonomous driving and going to be the top in the whole world when it comes to autonomous driving. Now, this is not particularly the case, but this is only an example. So I started investing into NIO just because they have autonomous driving. That is actually the ground idea when it comes to for the hype of autonomous driving. Why everybody is investing their money into EV. That is the ground idea. But people have lost the fundamentals, and they are just investing into any single company. And once people see a company that is American and publicly traded, they start investing their money into it. And that is really bad. They have changed the fundamentals of trading. They think that if the company is American and if the company is publicly traded, then it will go to the moon. No, it is not, because mass production is really expensive and it is not easy for these EV companies. And I truly don't think Lucid will keep on in the next coming 10 years. But there's a chance, guys. I'm not gonna say that they are going to fail, but mass production is really hard. And as we said, Lucid has almost more than $700 million in losses. And they have almost around, let's see, 200,000 in profits. So this whole EV hype is really kind of weird and bizarre, and I don't really understand it. Like, if the company is American and EV and electric, so they start investing their money into it. So it is very weird. I don't know. Let's move on to other stock. Like, whoa, Nano Dimension. What is going on? What is going on with Nano Dimension? Now, this is the reason why you should always remember that the company is not the stock and the stock is not the company. I mean, the company is doing really great. They have great machines, great updates, great catalysts, but still the stock is going down. Let's see the screener. I just want to see the screener. I want to see the top losers and the top gainers. Who is this? Let's see. Okay, they just IPO today. Oh yeah, typical. Let's see. Not even a 5-minute chart. This is so weird. Okay. Next one. Mbot. Microbot Medical. Okay, it looks like a medical company. No. Let's see here. Top loser. Holy crap! Damn. This company lost 71% of their... whoa, holy I mean, don't just panic and think that the company is really bad. Sometimes it might be good, because these are opportunities for us. I mean, but the company has been going down since 2020, so no, it's not any opportunity. The company just collapsed. It looks like they just collapsed and gave up. They've been going up, down, and then boop. Okay. Let's see. I mean, GameStop. Let's see what's going on with GameStop. Let's see over here. GameStop. This is a so false price for GameStop. This is a very false price. No, not recommended to invest into this company at all. So what I would recommend to invest into is actually Ford, but Ford is at its all-time high, so I don't recommend that at all right now. But if the company ever goes down back to around $13 or $12, I highly recommend that. Remember that the company have a electric pickup truck that no other company has, and they have a lot of cash, and their pickup truck is ready to be delivered. So I think they have great potential. Rather than investing your money into Lordstown Motors, they have a great truck, but therefore they can't mass produce. They don't have no money, and they're desperate for a few dollars to keep up with mass production. let's see. Li Auto. Li Auto has great cars, but I'm not really into Li Auto at all. Let's see. Beyond Meat. Oh shit. That is not good at all. But at the same time, there is a opportunity for the traders to start picking up on the stock. Beyond Meat has a great potential in the future, guys. I promise you, we are not going to be eating meat for the rest of our lives. We have to evolve and start changing a little bit, because one of the biggest factors we have global warming is actually eating meat. Meat is increasing the amount of carbon in the atmosphere. So Beyond Meat has great choices, but the only thing is they are a little bit expensive. So if they could develop a good recipe with a cheaper price, so the middle class and the lower class can actually start purchasing their type of food, I think they have great potential in the future. Let's keep on looking. Lordstown Motors. Once again, I sold my shares since $6. I'm really not into this company anymore, and if they turn out to success, I really don't have any problem. Congratulations, but this is not my play anymore, and I'm out of Lordstown Motors long time ago. So let's see. Facebook, we talked about it. Excel was just a huge bump and dump. As you can see, in one day they came up to $7 and then they went back down to $9. 9 cents. So it is a huge bump and dump. Let's see the latest news on Yahoo Finance. Let's see what do we got. Stock rally after S&P 500 hits fresh records. Really? I really did not notice that S&P 500 has reached its all-time highs. Let's see. Oh yeah. It reached its all-time highs. That is so. Oh, that is very dangerous. Oh yeah, that is so. Oh, that is very dangerous. Oh yeah, that is so. Let's see. Oh, that is very dangerous. Oh yeah. Oh shit. I had my live stream open. I want just to review the sound, and then it looped itself. Anyways, let's check Hive. Hive was a great company I really wanted to invest my money into, but I bought around the $2 and sold around the $3. Did not make a lot of profits, but around 50% profit. So yeah, let's check what we got else. Omer was a great play actually, but unfortunately, it could have been a great play. Because I actually entered around here when I saw the stock. I saw the stock plummeting, and I was like, I think it's time for me to hop in the train, and maybe this company will start rolling up again, because they had a problem. They had a lawsuit, and lawsuit does not really stay for too long. Either they win the lawsuit or lose it. So it was like 50-50. So I put a little bit of my money into I played it basically, but it did not turn out as I wished it to turn out as. Let's see Tesla. Tesla. Tesla's a great company, but you know what I mean. All right. Stock market news live update. S&P 500 and Dow rise to build on broader rally. Nasdaq takes lower. NIO X-Bank Li Auto to report December sales as this dark horse emerges in Chinese EV. Dark horse? What? What do you mean? Chinese EV race. Is it a new company? Is it a new EV company? Let's see. Oh my god. Okay, I accept. NIO X-Bank Li Auto Gear are set to report December sales this weekend after roaring November. NIO stock and its EV stock peers could return to form in 2022 if the Chinese EV startups outpace sales. Let's see. Chinese electric vehicle and battery joint. Okay. Also report sales and profit. Emerging as the dark horse in the Chinese EV race. BYD will look to top the 100,000 vehicle mark after setting a 6-month monthly EV sales record. But the BYD is just a manufacturing company. It is not a brand, so I think they just like manufacture cars for other brands. That's what I know. I don't know if there is something else to it that I have never read. Let's see. BYD is a Chinese manufacturing company headquartered in Shenzhen, founded by Wang in February 1995. It has 2 major subsidiaries. I mean, alright. Let's see. I mean, there's really nothing too much going on right now, other than the S&P 500 hitting its all-time highs. Is it the same with the Dow Jones? Oh yeah, both are hitting their all-time highs. Oh yeah. Is it all-time highs? 32. Yes, it is all-time highs. Holy. Alright, so that was actually a very quick market open what do you call it, review or something. That was only a test actually, so I want to try this one more time with different stuff. I want to go through different things during the live stream, so maybe it will be more interesting maybe. But the thing is, I don't have the time to open a live stream every day, so I'll see how it's gonna go for me, and I'll be able to go live during the market open only during this period, the first 10 days of the new year. But later on, I'm not going to be available at this time. Otherwise, that was actually everything. I just uploaded a new video about NIO. Feel free to check it out. Otherwise, thanks for listening and have a great day.